Are you looking for top-notch reverse engineering services in Chattarpur Delhi NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to fulfill all your engineering needs. With their expertise and years of experience, Scon Design India Private Ltd has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. Their dedication to providing high-quality services and their commitment to customer satisfaction sets them apart from the competition. When it comes to reverse engineering services, Scon Design India Private Ltd is the go-to company in Chattarpur Delhi NCR. They specialize in reverse engineering, which is the process of deconstructing and analyzing an existing product to understand its design, functionality, and manufacturing processes. This allows them to recreate or modify the product, making improvements or creating replicas with precision. Whether you need to replicate a part, improve an existing design, or simply explore new possibilities, Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other companies offering reverse engineering services is their attention to detail and commitment to excellence. They understand that every project is unique and requires a customized approach. With their state-of-the-art technology and highly skilled engineers, they ensure that every aspect of the product is thoroughly analyzed and accurately recreated. From 3D scanning and CAD modeling to prototyping and manufacturing, Scon Design India Private Ltd provides end-to-end solutions to meet your specific requirements. Located in Chattarpur Delhi NCR, Scon Design India Private Ltd is conveniently accessible to clients in the region. Their team of professionals is dedicated to delivering timely and efficient services, ensuring that your project is completed within the specified timeframe. Are you in need of cutting-edge reverse engineering services in Chattarpur, Delhi NCR? Look no further. Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to revolutionize the way you approach engineering. With our top-notch expertise and state-of-the-art technology, we are the pioneers in providing exceptional reverse engineering solutions. Our team of highly skilled professionals is dedicated to delivering tailor-made services that exceed your expectations. Whether you are looking to enhance your product design or streamline your manufacturing process, we have got you covered. At Scon Design India Private Ltd, we pride ourselves on being at the forefront of the reverse engineering industry. Our comprehensive range of services ensures that we can cater to all your needs. From 3D scanning and CAD modeling to prototype development and quality control, we offer a complete package that guarantees success. With our cutting-edge equipment and software, we can accurately capture the geometry and dimensions of any object, no matter how complex. Our team then utilizes this data to create precise CAD models that can be used for various applications. Located in the heart of Chattarpur, Delhi NCR, Scon Design India Private Ltd is perfectly situated to serve clients from all over the region.